That's scary, man.
So who's playing football, man?
They thought that you was over. Dude, you really got to do anything, man?
You're supposed to be surfer.
Yeah. That's what you telling me, dude. You got it, man. The doctor, they covered it for shooting twice.
Oh, keep it going. I'm loving it.
So we don't get on used to it.
No, I want to see Sergeant Taylor again.
Oh, dang. I gotta change my disease, man. Mobile inside. Jump track.
Oh, what do you say about that?
That's pretty cool. Air Force has
Do more Gonzalez, man. Come on.
Oh, it doesn't need a lot. Do me essay. Hey, man. What's going on, man? Hey, you ready for Korea? I was planning on retiring, man. I got that in the photo of the freaking Osan. You know, freaking. I put in my freaking. I'm a terminal leave. Terminal leave for you. Are you sure? A terminal leave plan? I'm like, no, terminal leave. That's supposed to be when you're normally leaving. No, man. It's because I'm on leave from here until I go over there. You know, it's terminal leave. I need a taxi driver. Good cooperation, Mr. Brody. How may I help? Yes, sir. We'll send somebody over, sir.
What's that guy off of Simpsons? That's what you remind me of.
Oh, Peavy.
PB.
So I freaking wrecked my Mustang the other day. I was going around the corner. I wasn't even gunning it. I freaking hit the gas, and I was in some sailing road. My whole back end shifted to the 180. And then on my first spun, I hit a freaking pole. Because it all varies. But we're going to put a $5,000 body kit on the car because the body's wrecked. And just put some new rims on it. 4-1 got one. I got too much low end torque, so I'm going to have to get 5-1 that way and I rip the bolts in the rear. That's fucking. Supercharged, dude.
Awesome, dude.
That's really good.
Who else we come over there?
There's another one you think of, okay?
Oh, do Sergeant, what's his name? Gregory.
I'm in the processing line for the Mobex today. Hey, get McGee in a few miles. Why don't you have your... You need to check your emails, man. I told you all the stuff you need to have for the Mobex today. You're not ready.
Wow. Can you do Sergeant Reed?
So Reed. These guys need to get the shit together. Some fucking exercise. If anybody misses the recall, I'm gonna fucking call your ass in at 1 in the morning. I will come to your house personally, kicking your door, and put my TI hat on, and make you do push-ups. Yeah, man, you make you fucking do it, man. You ain't fucking around no more.
What about Didio?
Sorry, Didio. You guys need to touch up the sedan out in the yard for a DV run and going on. Hey, do you know what the deal was when you got back from that run? What did Sergeant Connolly say about what time they needed to get picked up? Because I've been looking all over, I don't see any remarks. We were late on this run. I got a call back from the protocol.
I got the best one yet. Can you do Sergeant Zell?
Sergeant Zell? Alright, yeah, I'm just talking right now.
Who?
Well, yeah, I was receiving a bill. You know, somebody, tuna fish in a can with some crackers. Gatorade crackers. And,
eat about $5 a day.
Yeah.
The price is right.
Do T, Mr. T.
Oh man, I went on a trailer today. The tank was all half full. The tank was half full. Man, they tried to say it was me because I didn't want to set it off last. I know when I brought it back, I fueled it up. Oh. Woo-wee. I think them old leftover sausages and hot dogs, wrap these sausages up and eat them later. Get me enormous. I can eat peach all night long.
Taylor. Aaron Taylor. Well,
Started out. I got a dog. I got a new dog. And after work, I'm gonna go box him. What time are these guys gonna get picked up? I got a new girlfriend. Pretty hot.
Oh, do Rose, dude.
Kiss my dick. What's wrong with doing first to me? Kiss my dick, man.
Shut up, man. What's going on YouTube? What's that? Alright, I think we're done here.